Welcome back to another episode of Home Center Secrets. Today we're diving into the sticky world of adhesives. Get ready because we've got 7 must-have gluey goodies that are making a buzz right here in Japan. We're kicking things off at GooDay Home Center, your go-to spot for all things adhesive. Let me show you 7 of my personal favorites that will have you sticking around for more. Don't let its size fool you. Alon Alpha Tough Power is a tiny tube with big superpowers. The latest version is a real game changer. It's formulated to withstand both heat and moisture. And check this out. A broken ceramic cup, right? A little Alon Alpha Tough Power, a quick hold, and voila, good as new. This isn't just any glue, it's your heat and moisture resistant best friend. Remember, Alon Alpha dries quickly, so watch those fingers. If you do find yourself in a sticky situation, grab Alon Alpha Remover. Dab some on, spread it around, and you're unstuck. Need Alon Alpha to dry even faster? Just spritz on some Alon Alpha Accelerator before or after application. Handy when working with tiny parts like this sumo wrestler or fixing a broken turn signal. It'll speed up the curing and keep the adhesive color-free. Next up, Cemedine X Clear. Perfect for those who like their fixes invisible. Watch as I use it to join 2 acrylic boxes. The fix is invisible. Or how about adding some pizzazz to this Christmas ornament? With EX Clear, the only thing you'll see is the sparkle. Love your knickknacks, but hate the wobble? Say hello to Cemedine BBX. Dab on a little, a quick set, and your treasures are safe from cats and earthquakes alike. And don't worry, the adhesive stays soft and can be easily removed. Taping windows for typhoons is common in Japan, but the residue left behind from the tape, a nightmare. Enter Loctite Residue Remover. Spray, wait, scrape, no more gummy windows. This saves so much time and effort. Last but not least, frayed cables. Most people just throw them out. Well, meet Loctite Repair Putty. Mold it on and you've got a flexible, long-lasting fix. There you have it, folks. 7 kinds of adhesives that you probably thought you never needed. And remember, why toss things when you can fix them? Until next time, thanks for sticking around.